Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. This is Teresa. This is Annie's Christmas Ornament Kit. The same Annie's that has the Crocheting Club, the Knitting Club, and the Afghan Club. The links are down below if you're interested. This is the Christmas Club, Ornament Club. This is my first kit. I have never purchased this club before. I purchased this with my own money, and I just thought it was too cute. I wanted to share. And I didn't know if you knew they had these. I didn't know they had the Christmas Ornament Club until a few weeks ago when I found it and I ordered it. This kit comes with everything you need to make these cute little ornaments. There are screen stencils, like screen, and you get the 6 chalkboards. You get the silk screen so that you could put them on your little ornament. You get the paints so that you can get them colored to whatever color you want. And in here you also have the decor for around the word. See the wreath? You have that as well. You also get the twine, the little eye hooks, a paintbrush, a sponge that I recommend airing out because it smells the chemicals of high heaven, a squeegee for running it over your silk screen, but I would cut that little bit off. I don't think it's supposed to be there. And you get 4 little paint pans. You get 4. One for every color of the little tubes of paint. I didn't open this to see if they were like little paint brushes. If they are, I'll have these for next month's kit if it has paint. I don't know if I know I'm not the only one, but I sometimes get a crocheting block, and I just don't know. Like today, I've been sitting here going, you gotta do this. Okay, but I took a lot off my plate. But sometimes you just don't want to crochet, or you can't crochet. This is just a little distraction that I get myself once a month. This is my first one, like I said. It's from Annie's. And they have so many different club kits and so many different products that I only linked the main page on my affiliate down below because there are so many. But if you have the time and you want to look into it, the link's down below, and I would appreciate that. And you might be down a rabbit hole because there is so much to look at. It's a lot of fun over there. And I know someone that got the Irish crochet kit. You get a different Irish style Afghan block a month that he has to crochet. I did not want to pull any more crocheting, so I wanted to get something to ease my mind and get it back on track a little bit. That is more soothing because it's so easy that you could just take some time and just zone out. And that's why I got this. And next week, I'll show you what they look like done. Because I'm not going to use the same words they have on here, like the joy, the merry, and the love. The Xmas I won't use. Snow, I don't know. Because I want a snowman. Maybe I'll put a snowman on it. We shall see. The only thing that's none in here is the little bells. They're just for decoration on the page, I suppose. Anyway, that's today's craft of the day from Annie's. Appreciate you coming by, and I hope you have a great day.